Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram not working or not opening. If you're using Instagram and your Instagram app is not working or not opening, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Once you have checked, and you have to retry to open your Instagram, or if it's still not working, so you just have to go to your settings, go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available here, or if you have any software update, try to update your software. Simply tap on this option, and once you have updated your software, now what you have to do, you have to retry to open your Instagram app, or if you're still having the same issue, open up your app store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Instagram here, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available for your Instagram app, or if you have anyone, you have to try to update your app, and once you have updated, it will almost fix your issue, or if it doesn't, you have to offload your app. So sometimes it must be that there will be any bug into your Instagram app, so you cannot use your Instagram app in this way. You have to open up your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here you have to look for Instagram app here. Once you have Instagram, select that, select offload app, tap on offload app option, and once you have uploaded your app, you have to tap on reinstall option. And once you have tap on reinstall, the app will be reinstalled on your phone. And once the app has been reinstalled, if there will be any bug into your Instagram app, it will fix in this step. And once you have your app has been reinstalled, you can easily use your Instagram app without any issue. So that's how you can easily fix if your Instagram app is not working or not opening. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.